Hello guys, welcome back to the Chart Tips. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to check Windows 11 TPM on your PC and how to know that and how to enable this up on your PC. So let's get started. So TPM 2.0 is very important when it comes to installation of Windows 11, and most of you guys will not know about how to check this up on your PC and whether it is enabled or whether it is supported or not, and how to do this up. So let's get started. So we just have to follow a simple instructions in order to check TPM 2.0 on your Windows PC. In order to install Windows 11, what you have to do is just have to press Windows and R key all together on your over here to get into the run command, and you just have to search for what you have to do is you just have to search for the following thing. So what you have to do is you just have to search tpm.msc. You just have to search tpm.msc and you have to press OK. So now this will take you to this, and as you can see that on my PC it is not compatible. TPM cannot be found here. As you can see, it is not compatible. So next question is how I can enable this up. So this is what I about. So first step we have successfully done. So next question is how we can do this up. So in order to do this, you just have to do a restart again, and while you're opening it up, you just have to open up your startup menu while restarting, and you will be able to find the TPM and you can enable this up. And this is about how you can do this up. And I hope my quick tutorial on how to how to enable TPM or how to check TPM on a Windows 11 on the TPM 2.0 is okay. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.